Hello and welcome back to the channel. It is early April and the season here in Japan is just amazing. Where I live in Hyogo, we have an amazing view overlooking Arima and Rocco Mountain. It's not super high up in the sky, but we are sitting above most of the city. And we get a great view of Takarazuka and Osaka. This is peak cherry blossom season. Luckily for me, we live in this area where there's a road called Sakura Dori, and Sakura is the word for cherry blossom. This street, Sakura Dori, is lined with cherry blossom trees, and this is the perfect season to see them. It's kind of a secret, but not many people really know about this road. I really don't think a lot of people know about this area of Hyogo, to be honest with you. It's not in Takarazuka, because Takarazuka is its own city, but it's actually in Nishinomiya. But Nishinomiya is a pretty long, I guess you could say that, city, because we kind of stretch across the mountains. We're on the other side of the mountains. This is an amazing place to live. It's super quiet. It is very residential. I mean, there's nothing to do here in the evening time. So if you want to have fun and go out, you definitely need to do it in the city. If you plan to be out late, make sure you get back before the trains, because the trains do, I don't want to say they stop early, but yeah, there are not a whole bunch of late trains coming this area. I found this place during the pandemic. I wasn't able to travel to Tanzania, East Africa, Dubai. I wasn't able to do pretty much any of my export, mining, any of my businesses, to be honest with you. So I ended up spending a lot of time at home. I took an online coding course, which was really great. I had a great time. Yeah, I was really contemplating what to do, whether to even stay in Japan. After a lot of self-reflection and just, I guess, actually finding this place, to be honest with you, I decided to stay in Japan, and I'm very, very happy I did. I found this place, this area. There was a listing for a home. I was looking for places in other parts of Japan. I've been in Kansai my whole life, but I was looking for places in Kumamoto, even Hiroshima. I didn't want to be around the military, so there were some mountainous areas up there, and I found this mountain, this Higashiyama Dai, and I drove out in the evening to check it out. That little lookout point, we'll venture back to it later on, but that was my first view of this area from the highest, I guess one of the highest peaks in this area, and it pretty much sold me. Now, to get up to this point, you can of course walk, but this is an elevator, and this elevator is really pretty cool. It only has 2 stops. I say 2 stops, 3 stops. It'll go from the first floor, which is down by the station. We're going down there. We're on the 3rd, and it does stop again on the 2nd, and then it'll go on down to the 1st floor to the station, which is Nishinomiya Najio station. This is really beautiful, and it just never gets old. Riding this elevator up or down, evening, morning, afternoon, I don't know. I just always feel like a little kid. Now today I'm not going to go all the way to the station, but here you can see this little open area where the elevator opens up, and yeah, that little walkway will take us all the way to the station. And I just wanted to give you an idea of how far this elevator actually goes. Coming back here, you can just kind of look up and see it's actually a pretty high ride. Let's go on around to the side and take a look and see if we can see what the other stairs look like. Now, as a kid, I could only imagine how much fun I would have had running up and down there. But right now, I think I can only get to the second floor before I'm done. So as I mentioned, we're not going to go all the way to the station, but this place has so many stairs and walkways. And again, as a kid, I could only imagine I would have had a blast running around here, hide and go seek, just... oh my goodness, this would have been so much fun. There's an amazing park not far from here, and it has a pretty cool slide, but we're not going to go and adventure that way. And this is really what I wanted you to see. Now, this is the elevator that we just rode down. And you can see how high that is. Pretty cool. Now, as I mentioned, it stops 3 times. Well, 2 times. Stop. It'll start on the first floor, go up to the second, and to the very top. Pretty cool. Over that way is where the park is, but they have quite a few parks here in this area, to be honest with you. Here we can see the start of Sakuradori. Well, I guess the full name is Higashiyama Sakuradori. This is an amazing little town on this mountain. I mean, we've got the little koban, and these have to be the happiest police officers in Japan, in my opinion. I mean, we have... it's tough to believe. I mean, Japan's relative... yeah, it's safe. And of course, the fire department there, they are just the nicest. I mean, they're always practicing, they're always hustling. And I'm just glad they're around. I mean, it's very rarely do you hear a siren. I mean, like, rarely, ever. This place on the left used to be a tennis sales center. I mean, they have tennis courts up near that park I mentioned earlier, but this place has been empty for, well, since we moved here 5 years ago. And I just wish I had enough money to rent out some space and put in some of my 3D printers. That would be awesome. Now this walk right now, I guess this is about maybe 3 minutes or less than 5 minutes from the station back there. And it is a slight incline, but it's nothing really, it's nothing tough. After living in the city in Osaka for so many years and paying ridiculously expensive parking rates, 400 yen for 24 hours is just unheard of in Osaka. I mean, you'll pay 400 yen for 15 minutes. It's just, it's pretty funny, to be honest. I very rarely take this walk this way, but usually in the opposite direction, because I'll go down to this 7-Eleven that we're approaching and get me a coffee. That coin laundry is new, but this 7-Eleven has been here, I don't know how long, but it's been here since way before I moved here. And yeah, this is where I end up taking a lot of my packages for deliveries, because I do ship out 3D prints and stuff. And yeah, the staff are always kind and friendly, and everyone's really cool. It's just amazing. I'm gonna pop in here and grab a coffee just because. Yeah, this is my version of Starbucks because there's not a Starbucks around here. I mean, just forget about it. And the only McDonald's closed about a year ago, maybe. So, yeah. Which is good because I prefer barbecuing and cooking my hamburgers on my balconies. Yes, this 7-Eleven is just like every 7-Eleven you've seen in the videos. It's got everything. I mean, eggs, vegetables, bento, ramen. In the winter, it'll have oden, and I think they just started making donuts. Now, I know some people might want to see videos inside 7-Eleven. I might do something like that later, but not this one. But yeah, that was it. And let's continue on up this slight incline. And we're about to pass one of the parks I mentioned a moment ago. Now, this park is actually right down from my balcony. I walk down that little lookout point, and you can see it from there up top. There are usually kids running around and playing, and again, this is. I mean, I'm happy having grown up in Texas. I went around, jumped off the second floors of homes and balconies and stuff, and played ninjas and all of that crazy stuff. I had a blast as a kid, but oh my goodness, I couldn't imagine having this much. How should I say? Maybe more developed open space. This is really one of the, I don't want to say smaller ones, but this is the normal size park around here. And they have about 5 or 6, I think, right up this mountain, all of this area. This is the season for cherry blossoms. I mean, they're in full bloom. It has been super windy. I mean, we're up on the mountain and the wind gusts pretty strong. And you can see all of these blossoms. The petals are still on the trees, and it's just really, really beautiful. Now, I think in about another week or so, they're going to start getting weaker, and we'll get what I like to call the spring snow. And these little petals will fall down at the slightest breeze, and it just really looks amazing having them kind of float around you in this, again, spring snow. This area is cool. I mean, like I mentioned, I found it in the evening, or my first time visiting was in the evening, and again, I was pretty much sold on the serenity, peaceful vibe. Just can't go wrong. Most of this area is actually homes. I mean, from looking now, we're seeing a lot of the apartments, condominiums, and what they say, mansions here in Japan, which it looks like you're in a developed kind of apartment area. But as we come around this curve, we're going to enter the, I guess, more of the home area. And we're going to see more of the homes, and they're pretty good sized homes, and they're not really, I mean, I'm not going to say they're cheap, but they're not like homes in central Osaka. I mean, these are pretty big homes. you're getting a good piece of land. You're getting a real yard, front and back in many cases, and a lot of open space. And it's really, really nice. Another thing I love about this area is I have yet to hear a car horn. After living in Osaka, in Honmachi, it's just different. But yeah, you'll hear very little vehicle noise, if any at all. And there are many pet owners, but I rarely hear dogs bark. So we're back at the beginning, and as I mentioned, I found this in the evening, and this was my introduction to this area. This was the first view I had. I drove into this, onto this street, and parked actually right here. Got out of my car, and I walked to this little lookout point, and I looked out over at one of my favorite places, Harima, which is right over that mountain area, Rokko, and then back over at Osaka, and I thought, yeah. Now, I started this talking about cherry blossoms, but as I got home and opened the door, I found a package. So this, I'll save for another video. Everyone take care.